Tucked away in the rolling hills of South Gloucestershire lies one of England's most elegant treasures.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Dyrham Park. Let's explore.
It's a massive 17th century mansion surrounded by over 270 acres of woodland. The scenery here is amazing, but before we check out the gardens, let's take a look inside. We're just walking into the Great Hall. Wow, look at those chandeliers. You can see the rooms are packed with original furniture, old paintings and incredible tapestries. You can really imagine what life must have been like back then. Let's have a look upstairs. Wow, that's a great view of the gardens.
No, I don't look like that.
Well, that's it for the house. Let's go check out the gardens. This is the courtyard.
Don't fall in the water!
Dyrham Park is owned by the National Trust. A lot of their properties are open to the public, many of which are free, but some you do have to pay, but the prices are very reasonable. If you check online or even local papers, you can sometimes get free entry vouchers. So according to the map, if we head this way, we should be able to reach a really good viewpoint where we'll be able to see into Wales.
Climbing the hill.
And now we've got to walk up this massive hill just to get a slightly better view of it. Well, we made it to the top. Was it worth it? Okay, so over here is the Severn Bridge, which leads into Wales.
There's so much to discover here at Dyrham Park. Whether you're into history, hiking, photography, or just looking for a peaceful escape, this place really has something for everyone. If you've visited before, I'd love to hear your experience. And if you're enjoying the vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. The views from up here are amazing. There's a free shuttle bus that runs from the car park to the house, which is handy if you don't fancy the walk. Well, that's it for Dyrham Park. We're off to grab some lunch now, about a 5-minute drive away.
Put it in there.
Well, you're selling it to her.
Thing is, though, they say
Glad we met you.
yeah, that's it. Yeah.
That burger really hit the spot. Now we're heading off to spend the weekend in Bath. Make sure you check out that video next. You won't want to miss it.